Canva with RFM.
Welcome back to another video. This is Canva with RFM, and in this video we will learn how to use stickers. We're going to be making a social media post as stickers really make a post pop and really grab someone's attention. So we'll go to social media and then we'll choose something. We'll just do a normal animated social media. Then we'll choose a simple template. So if you choose one that's like a video, which has like a video in this on the side, they will have normally stickers in them. So we'll just open one. It says don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. So now you can see all of these little squiggly lines, especially this one. The other ones that, yeah. So only this little one down here is a sticker. So the way you find stickers is by going to elements and typing in sticker. Now as you can see, they have a lot of different stickers. They have arrow stickers, word stickers, food stickers, shape stickers, emoji stickers. There's so many. So we will change this and we will put a different quote. So we could have a quote like, if things seem under control, you aren't going fast enough. Something like that is quite cool, so we could have that as our quote. So at the top we could write if things seem under control, and then for the small text, you're not going fast enough. Okay. Oh, we can actually see this one and this, not this one. Move that. These two are also stickers because you can see them wildly moving. So we're going to take everything away except for the text. Now ungroup this so that we can take this sticker away. Now make sure you get everything, especially in designs like this. There's often a lot of elements. Often templates are really good to use just to get inspiration and just to have a good idea of what you want. So we can scroll down and we can look at what they have. So we'll go to social media stickers and let's see if they have something that fits. There's nothing that good that exactly fits. We could try something like this and then make it a bit bigger, but I don't think it's right. So we can just go and type in again stickers, and then just scroll down. There's a lot of stickers here. So we could have something like live your dream, and then also always make sure that you can read everything, your text and the sticker. So we're gonna make it smaller, and then we're just gonna turn it on a little side and add it like that. Then we could have something like a store to show it's like going fast. You could either have this in the image or we could have it on this side a bit coming up like that. That looks quite cool, I think. Another thing is don't add too many stickers because it might actually look like too much and you won't actually be able to read everything. So a good thing is to mix stickers and text and other elements all together in one image. Now I think we'll add one more sticker and then we will add some other things. So now you can see all of these are kind of like for shop. Now we have all of these books popping up. So quite cool. But now again what we're looking for. So we can go again up. Maybe they had some more here that we missed. Further up. We could have like this. Or we could just try an emoji that doesn't move too much. We could have this cute cat. I think something like down here is good. Now we're going to also change the background color really quickly. No. We could just go to styles. More styles. And then we could choose something that looks a bit fun. So we can just go to colors because we want to keep our font the same. So something like this could look quite wild. I think that looks good. So then you can add any other elements if you want. I'm just gonna add a simple blob. Something like this. Just add it like that. And then just arrange send to back. I'm going to make it the same color as the background, and then I'm just going to change the color a little bit, and that's going to just make it look a bit cooler. I'm just going to duplicate it, put it here, arrange send to back. And that's it. That would be our social media post, and then all you could do is on the side, and then you could upload it to your social media. Or you could just download it and then put it also on your social media. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's not a lot of information that you need to learn about stickers. So this was a very basic and short video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this course by pushing on the playlist on the top left, and see you next time. Bye! Make sure you head over to my website and sign up to receive a newsletter, and I'll see you in the next video.